Ron from CampFire Grub, and this week I'm actually out here in the Ocala National Forest, back out here again. I'm out here with Kevin, and then I'm also out here with Florida Truck and Travel in his Nissan Frontier. So we're just gonna go ahead and drive around, do a little bit of trail riding. Not a whole lot of video of that, but I've got a ton of backpacking meals in my truck that I need to cook up, review, see how they taste. So after we ride around for a bit, we'll whip one out, see which one we want to make, and give you a review on it. Kevin, Aaron, and I just arrived here at our little stopping point for the day, and we whipped out my box of backpacking meals, and we found some Italian spicy sausage bolognese. It is interesting, never had it, no idea what the real thing is supposed to taste like. We're gonna rip the bag open, dump some hot water in there, stir it around for a bit. We're all gonna try it, and we'll let your review know on how good it actually tastes, or if it's absolutely horrible. I picked this up at a Cabela's on a trip up in Montana. Haven't encountered it down here in Florida or anywhere else. Maybe because it's really good, or maybe because it's really bad. Just ripped open the packaging, and that's a view of it without any water in it. And of course, always remove the do not eat packet, do not eat the do not eat packet, and do not dump water on the do not eat oxygen absorber. And of course, we have the high-end Coleman backpacking stove with the Ozark Trail kettle, tried and true. As indicating by the whistling sound, the water has come to a boil. Time to dump it into the packet. 2 cups of water has just been added into the meal. It's kind of a view of what it looks like. Time to seal up the bag, let it sit for about 12 minutes, open it up, try it out. If you're just as curious as I was what a spicy sausage bolognese is, it is a robust red sauce with herbs, Parmesan cheese, paired with spiral noodles and pork sausage. Only 740 calories, 34 grams of protein. Remember, just add water. We just opened up this bag of slop here. Spicy sausage bolognese. And it looks interesting in there. Time to dump it out on a plate. We're all going to give it a taste test and give you that honest review. Let's see. So we got the first taste tester here.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
It looks like it's already been eaten, but
looks like it's already been eaten.
It tastes good though.
Kevin, review.
It's like adult ravioli.
Adult ravioli.
But it says spicy, so we'll see if it kicks in here a little bit.
I haven't tried it yet. I've got my plate waiting right over here. So it's time to go ahead and grab a spoon, give it a whirl, and let's see how I like it. All 3 of us just finished up that beef bolognese, Italian, spicy backpacking meal. The package did state it was spicy. There wasn't a thing spicy about that meal. I love spicy food. Kevin thinks mayonnaise is spicy, and Kevin also stated that there was nothing spicy in here. How spicy was it?
On a 1 to 10, maybe a whoa.
A whoa, yeah.
Whoa.
0 spice. Flavor was pretty good, wasn't bad, little crunchy, maybe need a little bit of extra water. It suggested 15 minutes. Probably needs a little longer than 15 minutes, maybe close to 20. It had a very similar taste and texture to the old school ragu pasta packs that we used to all eat as kids. Overall, pretty decent. Probably buy it again. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to follow along and subscribe for more riding around in the Ocala National Forest and maybe making backpacking meals, maybe not.